So I'm the science and math. So today I'm going to make a zoology video on how to solve some of the questions that are coming on our upcoming test. I normally have the class on Tuesdays from like 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this coming Tuesday we're gonna have a test. So she gave us like some of the questions, like some of the stuffs that are gonna come in. So she gave us like two puzzles and like a lot of questions that we're gonna like expect like something that is similar to that during the test. So I'm gonna go ahead, like one of those two puzzles she gave us, I'm gonna go ahead and like try to work one of them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, this is the puzzle I'm gonna work. It is on the genetics times. So I'm gonna go ahead and work this one. So here it's like we get like 16, it's like 16 questions. It's like some of them are below here, didn't show up there, but it's like 16 of them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start at number one and go towards the end. Number one said alternating forms of a gene, that is alleles. Alternating form of a gene. The answer to that one is alleles. It's like, I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's like A, L, L, this is L, L, E, L, E, S. That is number one. Alleles, the alternating forms of a gene. Number two is a cross between individuals, both homozygous for two genes. Both homozygous for two genes. Two means di. So it's going to be dihybrid. Dihybrid cross is going to be a dihybrid cross. That is homozygous for two genes. If it is one gene, it's going to be monohybrid. This one is two genes, so it's going to be a dihybrid. Dihybrid gene. So that's going to be a dihybrid cross. Sorry, that's going to be DIHYBRIDC cross, dihybrid cross, CROSS, dihybrid cross. Number three is when one allele is not dominant to the other, but they are equal. When one is not dominant to the other, but they are equal, that's incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. When one is dominant to the other, but they are equal, that is incomplete dominant. When one is not dominant, sorry, it's not dominant to the other, but they are completely equal. That's called incomplete dominances. Number three. Number three is incomplete dominances. I and incomplete. COMPLETE. Incomplete dominance. DOMINANCE. Incomplete dominance. Number four is when both alleles are the same. When both alleles are the same, that's called homozygous. Homozygous means when both are the same. Heterozygous is when both are different. So homozygous, heterozygous. So number four is homozygous, when both alleles are the same. Homozygous. So it's going to be HOMOZY ZYGOU. No, homozyte is GY is ZYG ZYGOUS, homozygous. Number five is the allele present in an individual. The allele present in an individual, that is the genotype. The genotype is the allele present in an individual. The phenotype is the outward character, or the alleles that people see. Like, sorry, the outward stuff that people see. That one is the phenotype. The allele present inside is called the genotype. That's number five. GENOTYPE, genotype. Number six, the allele that is not expressed in the heterozygous form. The allele that is not expressed in the heterozygous form is called the recessive one. The dominant is the one that is expressed in the heterozygous form. The one that is not expressed is called the the recessive one. So number 6 is recessive. Number 6, R E C E S S I V E, recessive. Number 7, a cross between individuals, both homozygous for one gene, both homozygous for one gene. That's going to be monohybrid. If it is, this one was 2, that is di. This one is 1, that is mono. It's going to be monohybrid. That is number 7. M-O-N-O-H, monohybrid. Hybrid, monohybrid cross. This one was dihybrid cross, 2 genes, 1 gene monohybrid cross. It's number 7. Number 8, a sequence of bases in one strand of DNA specifies the sequence of the opposite strand. This one direction specifies the sequence of the other direction. That is complementary. If this one on this direction specifies the other on the opposite direction, that is complementary. So number 8 is complementary. C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T-A-R-Y, complementary. Number 8 is complementary. Number 9, all chromosomes beside sex chromosomes. All chromosomes beside sex chromosomes. These ones are called the autosomes. Number 9 is autosomes. Number 9. Okay, O. Sorry, it's A, not O. A-U-T-O-S-O-M-E-S, autosomes. That is number 9. Number 10, the allele that is expressed when present. That is the dominant one. The recessive is the one that is not expressed in the heterozygous form. The one that is expressed when present is called the dominant one. So number 10 is dominant. Number 10, 11, 10. D-O-M-I-N-A-N-T, dominant. Number 11. Number 11, visible or expressed characteristics. Those are the ones that people see, and those are like visible, the ones that are expressed on the organism or the person. Those ones are called that is the phenotype, the phenotypical characters, the ones that are visible. It's called the phenotype. Number 11 is phenotype. 15, 11, that is P-H-E-N-O-T-Y-P-E. That is number 11. Number 12. Number 12, when two different alleles are present. When two different alleles are present, that is heterozygous. When they are the same is homo. When they are different is hetero. So that one is heterozygous. Number 12. A-E-T-E-R-O-R-O-Z-Y-G-O. The O is already there. G-O-U-S. Heterozygous. That is number 12. Number 13. Number 13, a cross between the homozygous recessive with those that show the dominant phenotype. So that is test cross. The one with the homozygous recessive with the one that show the dominant phenotype. That is called test cross. Number 13 is test cross. T-E-S-T-C-R-O-S. Test cross. Number 14, alleles of one gene separated into gametes randomly with respect to alleles of other genes. That is independent assortment. Alleles of one gene separated into gametes randomly with respect to alleles of other genes. Independent assortment. Number 14 is independent assortment. Independent assortment. INDIPENDENTASSORTMENT. Independent assortment. Number 15, it says strands of DNA run in opposite directions. Strands of DNA run in opposite directions. That one is antiparallel. ANTI. Number 15, ANTIPARALLEL. P-A R-A L-L-E-L, antiparallel. This is L-L-E-L. This one here, I forgot, like I'm calling it Z. It's like Z, like we call it Z, but it's like people call it here Z. So this one is Z, Z-Y-D. It's not like I call it Z, but people call it Z. So it's Z-Y-D-O-E. Instead of, in case if you don't know what Z is, it's Z, same as Z. Okay, number 16, I don't know if it is not complete or it's like kind of not complete. So you say alleles of gene are separated into, like I don't really understand it. I don't know if there's like something that's supposed to come or it's like already that. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask the teacher maybe another time and figure out what is on there. So I don't do like the 16 part, I only do the other ones.